Let me, however, say a few words about their important assignment as National Assembly members in our party and also as opposition members. Based on the results announced by the INEC and pending the determination of electoral challenges in the courts, our members-elect are not the majority in the National Assembly. So, for the time being, they have to prepare to work as an effective, constructive opposition while also preparing for possible role as the majority party when the cases are resolved. Don't ever lose hope. The role of the opposition is holding the government and majority party to account. And in doing so, you demonstrate that you and your party are ready to govern at the shortest possible time. A government in waiting, so to speak. In the recently conducted elections, our party campaigned on specific programs and policies. You must remember those and that Nigerians expect your work as National Assembly members to reflect those promises that we made to them. That you are not currently in the INEC selected governing party is not an adequate excuse. You must collectively push the temporary government in the direction of policies and programs that serve the Nigerian people.